important. Thank you.
So, my name is Susie Spencer, and my father was a pastor. My mother was a church secretary. And when I was 3 years old, my mom gave me over to him. She said she was tired of being raped herself, and I took her place. I was not the only one that was abused by my father. Throughout Texas here, in different churches where we bounced around, many other kids were mistreated, and teenagers. They met when they worked at Lester Roloff's down in Corpus Christi, and their goal was to help troubled teens, but instead they ended up hurting them. It took quite a long time for me to overcome the fear and the shame and the pain to be able to come forward and go to the police over the stuff that they did. I actually was only 40 when I finally went to the police, and I found out that the statute of limitations had passed. They could not investigate, and even for civil suits. I was too old, really, for Texas to care. So what I do now is I'm here to help and be a voice for other survivors. My goals are prevention, accountability, and recovery for justice. NDAs like this for these civil suits, it really ends up aligning themselves with the perpetrators. People like my dad, who told kids that they had to be quiet, that they had to be secret, that what was happening they couldn't talk about. And I do not believe that this is what should be done for healing, for care, for survivors, for people like me and so many of us here. As a mother now, my kids actually are here today with me, and we teach them that if something bad happens, you tell an adult. You do not keep it silent. You talk. You tell them. And what type of message are we sending with these NDAs that says that adults can keep their bad stuff hidden? It's not right, and it's not fair, really. So I just ask you today to support Trey's law. And with the Senate bill and the House bill, however it happens, just to know that there are people that to be able to speak up and talk and share their story, it is very healing. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Thank you for your testimony.